Receipt of the minutes of the Ordinary Emergency Management Committee meeting on the 7th of May. 4.1. Any clarification of those minutes? No? Could I ask then for a mover, please, for those minutes? Thank you, Councillor Park, seconded by Councillor Stewart. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried. 4.2, the Ordinary Turangi-Tongariro Community Board meeting on the 8th of May, 2018. Any points of clarification on those community board meetings? The meeting? No? Could I have a mover, please, then? Councillor Stewart, thank you very much. Seconded by Councillor Rankin. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried. Audit and Risk Committee meeting, 21st of May, 2018. 4.3. Councillor Boddy.
Do we approve the reports on the hearings we had for the long-term plan, those meetings? We've done it. Okay. Well, I believe Councillor Rankin, you were at Turangi, were you not? Long-term plan hearing? Your name doesn't appear on the list of those that attended.
What's that one?
2nd of May.
2nd of May. Oh, so it's going back? Okay, we'll just add that in. Yep. All right, amended. Okay, thank you very much. Audit and Risk. Have a mover, please, for the Audit and Risk. Okay. Oh, steady. Moved by Councillor Park, seconded by Councillor Jollins.
Oh, no, I wasn't. I was actually. Sorry. Were you?
Do you want?
I wanted to just ask a question.
Of the Audit and Risk Committee? Yes, certainly. Sorry. Yep.
Sorry, I just got
go
to
ahead.
the trend.
Yeah,
right.
No, that's all right.
Just under 3.1, the senior leadership team was developing an action plan following receipt of the council mark report. I do appreciate. I mean, this was getting much, and I do appreciate we've been through the LTP and we dealt with traffic lights with dogs and all sorts of stuff. But I was just wondering if there was any movement on that.
Yeah, I can respond to that. So some of our team have been working with LG&Z around some good practice work. So they're just in their second meeting next week. We did intend to put something on next audit and risk agenda, but we felt it was just a wee bit soon, so it's going to be the next one. But we'll have a full action plan there, and I guess then the question comes back to council as to where you want to head going forward. Okay, so we are working on it, but it is quite hard work trying to get that good practice together. Okay.
Oh, okay. You happy to move those minutes, Councillor Park, or has that already been done? Councillor Park, seconded by Councillor Jollins. All those in favour, please say aye. Ordinary Fences, Roading, Reserves and Dog Committee. Meeting.
Chairman, on 4.3, there's a comment made on page 4.3, the Audit and Risk.
Yeah.
Risk. There's a comment made on page 74 of the agenda, but page 2 of the minutes, which makes the comment, the consultation document highlighted everything it should. We've just been discussing dogs, which wasn't. Is that a statement that may need an amendment? It states here, the consultation document highlighted everything it should. Well, we've just realised that we didn't highlight the dogs adequately enough.
It was a record of what was said at the time. It might be incorrect now, but it's you're approving the minutes at the time of the meeting.
Okay, so
just confirming.
But we can make a note.
Okay. Right. Thank you.
Okay, in the text, okay. All right, Fred Committee. 4.4. Any points of clarification of those minutes? Councillor Park?
Yes, thank you. Just in regards to 4.5 with the licence to occupy with the art in the park, who should I be looking at? I just wondered, like, it's sort of, I was concerned at the time because Active Arts were actually not renewing it. It was sort of like a new group with Active Art members. I just want to make sure that all our relationships are tidy and no one got upset.
As far as I'm aware, no one's been upset. This hasn't come across my table, but I will check. Thanks.
Okay. I have a mover, please. Thank you, Councillor Hickling, seconded by Councillor Rankin. All those in favour, please say aye. Against? Carried. Taupo Airport committee meeting on the 11th of June, 4.5, and there's a recommendation there too. Yeah. Okay, so this is the ordinary, and there's a recommendation there which is pertaining to Airbus. Confirmation of that job. Do I have any? Oh, there it is here. Cool. That Airbus, the expenditure of 84,000. Airbus, who's the chair? Who can answer that? Airbus, or one of our staff probably. Yeah, John. Good afternoon, John.
Yeah, so if you
Yeah.
recall, this was, yep, we're clear on it now?
Yeah, Councillor Jolland. So Councillor Harvey was just wanting to know what it's involved in. This is the planning.
That's to do with the master plan for the airport, and the Ministry of Transport has approved the fiscal their share, so this is our share. So this is our master plan for the airport area.
Just for clarity, that's the total cost, of which 50% of that is the drawdown from the reserves the MOT are entitled to at the airport.
And this plan enables an application to go through to the Regional Growth Fund for
That's
the
correct.
extension of the airport. Yeah. Councillor Park.
Yes, thank you, Worship. Just to clarify, being a CTO, this amount of money will come from the Airport Authority itself?
Yep.
I'm just wondering, does that committee not have the terms of the delegation to, and that's why it's
No,
come
that's
here?
why it's come back here.
Right, okay, thank you.
So any unbudgeted expenditure for the airport needs to come back to full council for approval.
Councillor Hickling.
So, John, you're just saying that that's the total cost, so why is it the total unbudgeted if we're getting 50% from?
No, so that's, I'll put it really crudely, I'm sure Alan will correct me if I'm wrong here, but this basically comes out of the bank account. So 50% of that bank account, the MOT are entitled to as part of their share, the 50-50 share. So what they requested was their cost for this was drawn down out of that bank account. Okay, is that clear as mud?
Yeah.
I'm just going to Barry for, yeah. Yeah, so
that's, yeah.
I'm
So theoretically that half that we've got, the cash that we've got in reserve there is MOTs. So this is where this is coming from. Yeah.
yeah, yeah, in the, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Airbus are the right people, the reputable outfit to do this.
Yep. So the
Yeah.
aim is to get the PFG. I don't know where that came from. The Provincial Growth Fund application in November.
Yep.
So we're working really hard on it at the moment, and we've had MB in this morning actually just finalising the detail on that. We intend to bring that back to council to give you a full oversight of that as soon as we're really clear on it.
Good. Thank you, John.
Okay.
Okay. Do I have any other points of clarification on those minutes? So can I have a mover, please? Thank you, Councillor Jollins, seconded by Councillor Rankin. And with that recommendation, all those in favour, please say aye. Those against? Carried.